5 Best Humidifier 2024. 1. Dreo. The Dreo humidifier for bedroom is a top fill, 4L supersized cool mist humidifier designed for continuous comfort. With a quiet ultrasonic operation, 28 dB, it provides up to 32 hours of moisture without refilling, promoting peaceful sleep and relieving congestion. Featuring dual intake and a 4-inch mist outlet design, it creates a supersized mist up to 40 inches tall, ensuring effective humidification in bedrooms. The high-frequency atomization process releases 5 micrometers ultrafine mist particles evenly across the room. The easy top-fill design allows convenient refilling without tank flipping, and the 3-in-1 humidifier supports aromatherapy sessions and ambient light changes. The customizable mist levels and a 30 degrees tiltable nozzle enhance user control, and the auto shut-off feature ensures safety when the tank is empty, making it suitable for nurseries and plant care. 2. Qacofee. The Qacofee 5L humidifier for bedroom is designed to provide a quiet and long-lasting humidification experience. With a 5.0 L capacity, it can run for up to 50 hours on low settings and automatically shuts off when out of water. Offering high, medium, and low modes, the humidifier helps balance and regulate humidity, addressing dry skin, allergies, and respiratory issues. It features a high mist mode for rapid humidity increase, a constant humidity mode for personalized settings, and a sleep mode for silent operation during the night. The top-fill design facilitates easy refilling without overturning the water tank, ensuring a convenient and efficient user experience. 3. Pure Enrichment. The Pure Enrichment Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier offers instant dry air relief using ultrasonic cool mist technology, providing up to 25 hours of continuous operation. With high and low speed settings and a 360 degrees mist nozzle, it helps balance and regulate humidity in medium to large rooms. Ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and indoor plants, it promotes year-round comfort, alleviating congestion, coughs, cold symptoms, allergies, dry skin, and sinus issues. The optional night light ensures a soothing atmosphere for restful sleep, and the easy-fill tank with auto shut-off adds convenience. The product comes with a 5-year warranty, a disc cleaning brush, and BPA-free construction. 4. Vicks. The Vicks filter-free ultrasonic humidifier is a recommended choice for bedrooms, particularly for babies and kids. With a 1.2-gallon tank, it provides up to 30 hours of soothing mist without the need for replacement filters. This cool mist humidifier is quiet and beneficial for creating a comfortable sleep environment, especially during dry air conditions, allergy seasons, or illness. Vicks humidifiers, vaporizers, and steam inhalers offer relief from coughing and congestion, ensuring a more restful sleep during colds. 5. Hupro. The Hupro humidifier is a versatile solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in various settings. With a 2-in-1 design, it provides both cool and warm mist options, ensuring comfort and addressing issues caused by dry indoor air, such as discomfort, dry skin, and static electricity. The humidifier offers a humidity range between 30% and 70%, benefiting individuals with dry skin, irritated eyes, and other related concerns. The top-filling construction of the humidifier is highlighted as advantageous over bottom-filling models, offering convenience in refilling and cleaning. The device provides different operating modes, including auto mode, constant humidity level adjustment, and mist output speed control. Its universal use makes it suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and living rooms, providing benefits such as improved sleep, easier breathing for babies and kids, enhanced focus and relaxation, and protection for wood and houseplants. The option to add essential oils further enhances the overall experience. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.